If you're looking to remodel your garage, you can't miss out on the 16 coolest tools. Let's start today's video with the experts at Snap-on. They've come up with a way to sell tool cabinets for $35,000. It turns out all you have to do is add wheels, put brakes on them, and give them an attractive name like Epic. An Epic C cabinet rolls on 14 or 17-inch wheels and can withstand up to 7.2 tons. The design of this storage system is ingenious. For example, the quick-release drawers come with dividers that are perfect for storing fasteners. The large drawers, measuring 157.5 centimeters, are also very useful. In short, this cabinet is so spacious that it works wonders as a mobile workstation. But whether its price is justified is a question worth considering. If you think this invention is cool, we're just getting started. The next mechanical invention will surprise you. Once again, the Japanese company Ryobi has impressed us with an innovative system for organizing tools and small items that evolves with the user's skills. The idea is to allow users to continuously upgrade the system, allowing them to move from a hobbyist to a fully equipped workshop. Known as Ryobi Link, the system is based on universal mounting components for hanging drawers, shelves, hooks, and other items. Many of these items, such as drawers, are portable for working on the go. It's important to note, however, that Ryobi doesn't come cheap. A single container with a capacity of 36 kilograms costs $60. Like this invention? Wait until you see the next one that'll make your life a lot easier. The Chinese company Suinfla has carved out an interesting niche as the world's leading manufacturer of inflatable spray booths. They offer a 12 by 5 by 4 meter model for $1,658. This booth is made of 210D Oxford fabric and includes hooks for lamps. 2 blowers are included. The first inflates the booth and the second provides ventilation. Setting up the booth is a quick task that only takes a team of 2 people and a few minutes. Now let's talk about the company Gather Tool, specialized in equipment for tire and truck companies. At the intersection of these fields, we find this rack designed to assist in the extraction, storage, and placement of wheels. The rack can handle wheels weighing up to 60 kilograms without the need for luxury hydraulic, pneumatic, or electrical parts. However, it does include a handy mini ramp. The maintenance of this rack is straightforward, and no special knowledge is required to use it. You can get the Gen 2 version of this rack for $1,165. But if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, don't miss out on these amazing inventions you must see. The designers didn't make a big deal about the name of this jack. They simply called it the Up and Down 3000. Instead, they focused on understanding the needs of car enthusiasts. As a result, this 19-kilogram jack can lift cars weighing up to 3 tons. It's said to be able to lift both front and rear axles, as well as gaskets. If necessary, you can also use a drill to speed up the lifting process. The price of this jack is $639. Let's leave the heavyweights behind and take a look at an air purifier that'll make your life a lot easier. Netterman is highly regarded for its air purification systems and has even secured a place in one of Europe's largest car engine factories. The good news is that Netterman systems are also within reach of small workshops. The company stresses the importance of air purification, as even a single idling engine in a room can quickly create a dangerous buildup of exhaust fumes. To solve this problem, Netterman offers systems that effectively remove exhaust fumes, dust, welding fumes, and other hazardous mixtures. They offer both mobile and fixed systems that are known for their reliability. To give you an idea of their popularity, there are already more than 100,000 Netterman units installed in emergency rooms alone. And speaking of huge numbers, what about the numbers for the next invention? Let's keep going. Statistics show that about 80% of employees in American companies work while seated. It's no wonder this stool was designed in response. Unlike chairs with numerous adjustments, this stool keeps things simple. It has a fixed height of 48 centimeters and offers no adjustments. However, the manufacturers claim that it's suitable for people of all sizes and shapes because it ensures that the user's legs maintain an optimal 90-degree angle. The stool seat is made up of 9-centimeter thick foam and comes with 10-centimeter diameter wheels for easy mobility. This stool retails for $395. Let's put the stools aside and take a look at some air cats, which are undoubtedly one of the coolest inventions in the world. These air jacks are known as snowmen because of their unique shape. Unlike the typical snowman, which only has a carrot nose and a bucket hat, this jack can withstand loads of several tons. For example, it can lift 2.5 tons to a height of 385 millimeters. Its slightly sturdier counterparts can support up to 6 tons. and provide a maximum lift of 400 millimeters. You can buy one of these jacks for $26. If you want to improve your construction experience, don't miss the next technological invention that'll take you to the next level. The Swedish company Hedson Technologies AB is well known among car restoration and painting professionals. They manufacture these lamps under the IR brand. Placing them in a paint booth offers a triple advantage. Firstly, the lamps are compact, giving the professionals more working space. Second, lamp control systems with microprocessors effectively manage power and usage time, ensuring that each lamp lasts over 20,000 hours. Third, these lamps can be mounted on special rails, making them adaptable to almost any spray booth. In terms of efficiency, it only takes 4 minutes to cure the base coat of components such as a car hood. But when you go back to your garage, there's definitely one tool you can't miss in your toolbox. Porsche enthusiasts who appreciate high-quality sound likely have $1,300 to spare. That's precisely what the creators of this audio system had in mind. It reproduces the original exhaust system of the Porsche 992 GT3 and is produced as a limited edition of 500 units. The system boasts an impressive power of 300 watts. Additionally, it's compatible with Dolby Atmos and DTS HD for premium audio. You can easily connect this engineering marvel to your devices via Bluetooth 5.0 or HD ports. This piece of engineering excellence weighs 65 kilograms. If hanging it on the wall seems a bit challenging, the included stand will be of great help. Without a doubt, this is one of our favorites, but the next tool might become your favorite, so stay tuned. Now let's take a closer look at Granfall's latest and most groundbreaking innovation in the pressure washer industry. What really sets this particular model apart from others on the market? First and foremost is its uniquely designed stand, which not only provides stability, but also allows the washer to rotate a full 180 degrees, giving users unparalleled flexibility and ease of use. This is complemented by the innovative total stop system, an ingenious mechanism that intuitively shuts off the water flow the moment the trigger is released, ensuring both safety and water conservation. Furthermore, in a nod to user convenience and practicality, this washer is equipped with a built-in reel mechanism. This isn't just a design choice, it's a testament to Granfall's commitment to addressing common user frustrations. This reel effectively prevents hose tangling, a common nuisance with many traditional washer designs. When it comes to performance metrics, the Granfall's washer really shines. It boasts an impressive maximum pressure rating of 22,200 psi, which, for those unfamiliar with the metric system, is a robust 125 bar. The next tool is something you might have seen on car repair shows. It's called a dent puller and is useful for fixing dents. The process involves the craftsman welding the base to the dent and then pulling the device's handle towards him. It's a quick method to get the job done. The showcased puller can perform 30 pulls in a minute, and the welding itself only takes 0.3 seconds. For added convenience, it includes 3 round and 3 square stops of different sizes to limit the working area. The price of this puller is $3,000. Now, as always, we've saved the best for last. Are you ready for the next future tool? The creators of Mule offer a solution to combat the heat in your workshop or garage. For just $220, you can get a fan that can circulate air at a speed of 85 cubic meters per minute. It's worth noting that the manufacturer provided a 2.4 meter long cable. Mule's installation is straightforward, requiring only 2 self-tapping screws. If you need to move the fan frequently, you can use the stand. Additionally, it can function as a cart. In its top version, Mule comes with a light, an extension cord, and a toolbox. Which of these tools was your favorite? Let us know in the comments.